we went through the ankles, the knees, the hip joint, the trunk, and then there's the shoulder muscles. Coordinating shoulder strength and movement is super helpful for balancing. The shoulder muscles and that whole shoulder carriage, as we rotate, we got a lot we can do with the shoulder carriage, and it can give us some flow, some motion. It can help us adjust to things that happen. We can correct ourselves by what we do with our arms. Okay, so the shoulders give us that ability to throw our arms back, forward, reach out a little bit more on the sides. So there's this fluidness that we want to happen with the shoulders. Okay, so if you go with me here, let's take and grip the lats a little bit. Grip the lats, you can feel them strong, and take and push one down. Keep the eyes level. Okay, push the right side down, knees are pointing to the side. And then as you press and pressure this left leg, okay, switch and articulate which shoulder you're pushing down. Okay, so this shoulder now is gripped and pushing a little more down, and we're raising the right side up. Okay, it's the extreme of some movements, but they can help us with balance. So from side to side, if you use kind of an isometric exercise of gripping muscles, feeling those alignments, come from side to side, we can get some extra skill for adjusting to the variations that happen with skiing. Okay, so shoulder muscles, using those to weight our outside ski. As we come, the weight of that arm can help us pressure and keep weight over the outside ski. We can use it for momentum sometime if we need to catch up. Some of the racers will take that outside half and swing it around into the lead. Okay, so shoulders tied in with the trunks. Very important motor skill. You can do isometrics and create some intelligence for skiing. Some jump turns. If you watch this left shoulder, you can see how I'm raising it up to adjust my balance a little bit. And the right, keeping it strong and high.